Hello everyone. Today I will walk through outline. I walk through explanation of checkout process of an e-commerce store, like small gift shop, for example. No question. So question you're being selected to stimulate. So we're going to stimulate small small shop. So using Excel. I'm using Excel, Microsoft Excel. So I've already done the work. So let me show and present you how I have done this work. So first of all, I've created this horizontal. It's like customer ID. So I'm going to put them to choose customer ID. So like the customer ID is just assumed as assumption as from 1 up to 10, and they already gave us like interval time to check whether this interval time like 10 between the two customers. They said you can choose randomly from 1 up to 15. So we have used the formula of random between like a bracket 1 comma 15. So the hour, so Microsoft Excel generating 9, 15, 3, or it changes every time. So arrival time. So this one, first of all, assuming it's zero. Because of the first one's arrival time is must be zero. And then so second one, we just get it from the like we are going to want to calculate the second customer's arrival time. So we are going to add like the arrival time, the first arrival time plus the interval time. So it means the time between the customers coming plus the other one is arrival time. It means here the what? So as you see here, we have arrival time of this one is zero, and the other interval between those two customers, the first customer and the second customer, is zero. Is six. Sorry, is six. So the customer between that thing is all about that. Yeah, is 0 plus 6, 6, 6. Also, the other one, 6 plus 2, means like that's 8. So when we go to the surface time, so the surface time was a random number. So we're going to use that, like the other one of example, we're going to use the random formula. We're just saying random bracket 1 up to 8. I'll show you here. Yeah, as you see, random 1 up to 8. So it's random. So we have done the surface time. We're going to look at surface start time. So surface start time it basically means the time like the surface is starting, surface initiated. So like for example, our like a customer comes and then we are going to start his surfing. So to get a starting time, we're going to use maximum of the surface time and the maximum of surface end time and arrival time. So it's basically like the other end time, like for example, this one 18, the end time, and this one maximum of surface end time and arrival time. So that's all. So surface end time is basically means it's basically meaning when the time of surface of the customer ended. For example, like we have a sub in a customer, so like time when the customer ended. So we can find so to get surface end time, we're going to use arrival time, surface. We're going to add surface start time. We're going to add surface start time to surface time. So here is basically like this. I'll show you. So like for example, surface end time, going to add surface time plus surface starting time. And the waiting time, we have here waiting time. So basically, waiting time is like time, like the customer is inside the system. So in the system, so for example, we are going to subtract or deduct the waiting time. The date time is like arrival time minus the surface ending time. So those of them, most of them are basically zeros. So and the second, the last second one is time in the system. So yeah, time in the system means basically means like surface time, this time minus interval time. So here is it. Show you. Yeah, it's basically no surface end time minus arrival time. So this is basically like waiting time or just time in the middle. Also, we have an idle time. Idle time, like it means when the system was idle and doing nothing. So but this one, it's basically means maximum of the arrival time and zero. So the system was idle, first of all, at 9 to like that. So we're going to calculate average customer like stemming test system. So to calculate that one, you need just need you only use the formula of average from this clone. Average, then you press those ones from H2 to up to H21. So it will generate like that. Total stimulation time. Yeah. So basically, total stimulation time is like the first arrival time minus like first guy, like the other first ones arrival time minus the the last customers in this time. So it's minimum one night and the total idle time in the server. So basically total stimulation idle time. So basically so we're going to look proportion time of the server is idle. So we're going to just let we're going to let we're going to add like total stimulation time plus total stimulation time. Yeah, total stimulation time minus the average time in the system divided by total idle time then times 100. So we're going to get it 49 49.15. This one is number mentioned because like we are using random numbers. Okay, so here we are going to do our replications. We have here both replication. First of all, I've created like the other one is table in here, then I've removed it. So we have initiated this one, and we are going to, sorry, sorry. So I can't change this one because of like we have done it. You just do like first of all you have done the one, and then you equate the first one to this one. Then you'll go like you go data, then you go data tables. Wait, so yeah, so we are just want to go data, then you will go what your analysis, data table, then you will click like the rows you want. For example, like this one. Okay, so we're going to create it here. Yeah, we're going to create like this too. Then go data. So go in to copy there. Right. So come here. Yeah. You want to make like this. Yeah, you click like this. It generates. It makes. Yeah, so generates like that one. Now, for what time? I think I've done this question. Thank you.